Hello guys and welcome to Crypto Dealers. My name is Andy and today I will talk with you about the new project called PyStake. So first of all guys, I will show you what it is all about. You can see here they have four different plans. First one 4.5% hourly for 24 hours. Next one 4.6, next one 4.7, and the elite plan 125% after 24 hours. So is this legit? Would I recommend any of my friends to invest in it? No way guys, no way. Why? Okay, let me show you guys. First of all, if we consider investing in a project, we want it to be KYC'd and audited. Okay, I can show you what they have here. There is no section that shows you anything that the contract has been audited. Have they been KYC'd? No audit, no KYC, no way to invest. So basically what this is, let me explain to you guys. You invest here in any of those plans that they offer here, and as long as new users come in, the money that the new users invest will pay your rewards. So for example, if you invest now and there's not enough money in the contract, you will not get any rewards and not ever your initial investment back. So also I've seen many of projects like this. They offer you a high, really high hourly reward, and then suddenly after, let's say, 4 days, they're completely gone. So whatever you have invested is gone. Okay guys, so this is really, I'm not a financial advisor, always do your own research guys, but I've seen a couple of projects like this and none, literally none of them is sustainable. Some of them last for 3 days, some of them last for 1 week. Then the people decide to just take the money, and this is there are so many red flags about this project because no KYC, no audit. So guys, what else can I tell you? They're just red flags. If you're lucky and you invest right now, maybe you get a little bit back, but maybe they decide to take the money in 7 hours, the contract, they drain the contract and your money is gone, guys. So my advice, don't even think about investing in it, because you can check maybe in 2 days, maybe in 4 days, or maybe in 2 hours, it's gonna be gone, and that's it guys. Okay, so if you consider investing in it or just forget it, I would say really my advice is just forget it and share this video with everyone who should see it. Okay, and yes guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments, and see you.